this detailed and professional tutorial, I will take you on a complete journey, showing how to cut a granite kitchen countertop with high precision, using an electric angle grinder in order to install a built-in gas stove. This video covers every single step in the process, from planning and measuring, to marking and safely cutting the granite slab, and finally to fitting the cooktop perfectly into place. Cutting granite is not an easy task. It is a very strong, dense, natural stone that requires proper technique, sharp tools, and a steady hand. In the beginning of the video, I explained the importance of accurate measurements, especially when working with expensive materials like granite, where even a small mistake can lead to irreversible damage. I demonstrate how to outline the exact area to be cut, taking into account the size and type of the gas cooktop to be installed. Then, using a professional-grade angle grinder equipped with a diamond blade, I carefully begin cutting along the marked lines. Throughout this phase, I show close-up shots of the cutting process so you can clearly see how the blade moves through the granite, how I control the depth, and how I avoid cracking or chipping the edges. I also share some very useful tips for minimizing dust, reducing vibration, and protecting the surrounding surfaces during the cutting process. After completing the main cut, I go through the steps of cleaning up the edges, testing the cooktop fit, and making fine adjustments to ensure a perfect result. I explain the importance of support underneath the granite while cutting and after installation, and I give advice on how to safely handle heavy slabs without damaging them or risking injury. For anyone interested in kitchen renovations, DIY home improvement, or professional countertop installation, this video offers in-depth knowledge and real-world techniques based on years of experience. Whether you're a homeowner trying to upgrade your kitchen or a professional installer looking to improve your skill set, this video will give you a clear understanding of how granite can be cut efficiently and cleanly using the right tools and techniques. By the end of this video, you will see the transformation of a plain granite countertop into a functional and elegant surface with a perfectly fitted gas stove. The final result not only looks amazing, but is also safe, stable, and long-lasting. I encourage you to watch the full video and observe each step closely. You might discover tips and methods you've never seen before. This is not just a demonstration, it's a full guide that shows the challenges, the precision, and the satisfaction of doing a professional granite cutting job from start to finish. Beyond just the cutting process, this video offers viewers a look into the mindset and discipline required to carry out high-stakes kitchen modifications. Working with granite is not only about tools and force, it's about precision, planning, and patience. I also touch on safety measures, including how to wear proper protection during cutting, how to handle sharp edges, and how to clean the workspace efficiently after the job is done. This project is an